assembly of your Showstopper standard event tent is quick and easy. In tandem with another person, separate the legs of the tent so they are extended a full arm's length. Unfold the canopy and drape over the frame. Attach the canopy by connecting the canopy's loop strips to the tent's hook strips located in all four corners. Position the apex patch in the center of the frame's center pole. With each person positioned on the sides of the frame, locate the side connectors and push up till frame is fully expanded. In all four corners, lift the expanding section of the frame upwards until the connector locks into place. Place your foot on the base of the tent leg as you release and extend the telescoping legs. Raise the tent to your desired height and lock into place. Lift the apex of the canopy into place by turning the crank located in the center of the expanding frame. Before lifting the apex into place, ensure the center pole is situated in the center of the apex patch. You are now ready to utilize the marketing power of the Showstopper Standard Event Tent. The install for the tent stake kit is quick and easy. Insert rope through black clip located on the tent canopy corner. Pull rope until both ends are even and tie a knot. Place step stake onto rope right above the knot and push into the ground as far as possible. Now you are ready to utilize the strength of the tent stake kit. To install ballast weight onto your event tent is quick and easy. Simply place the ballast weights opening around the tent leg frame. Now you are ready to utilize the stabilizing strength of the ballast weight.